When you open your eyes to see the sunrise, you see a land full of life, a land surrounded by forest, tall mountains, and golden fields. This is the Philippines, a home of beauty and hope.
Here, every smile tells a story. Every wave from strangers feels like a friend. Filipinos are known for our warmth, our kindness, our heart. We always say, come on, join us. Or shall we say, tara, kain tayo.
To celebrate life, our fiestas with color and rhythm, the music, the dance, and the laughter. They all remind us to be thankful and joyful every day. The Philippines is a paradise of beauty, from the green terraces of Banawe to the clear water of Palay. Every island has secret to be waiting to be discovered. It's more than a place. It's a feeling of peace and beauty. And of course, our food tastes adobo, sinigang, lechon, or halo-halo. Each dish is full of love and history. When we eat together, we share, and not just food, but our hearts.
Yeah, if you know what I'm talking about. Suitcase in the house, put the party sound. First choice, first love, if you ask the crowd. Come and shout it out. Everybody's gonna dance to this. I see the whole road party in the Philippines. Now with Angelique, in full bueno on the beach.
The true beauty of the Philippines is not only what you see, it's what you feel. It's in the helping hands, the strong spirit, and the hopeful hearts of our people. That's the meaning of bayanihan, unity, care, and love for all.
From Luzon
to Visayas and Mindanao,
we are one nation,
one people, one heart.
so wherever you go, whatever you see, let the beauty of the Philippines inspire you.
Choose to care, choose to explore, and choose to love.
Piliin mo ang Pilipinas because there's no place like home.